Hello everyone. We recently released a demo version of the ECM add-on. Let's see what's currently included in the demo version. Download it from the official page, and you'll find a demo pack archive. Unzip it. Inside, you'll find a blend file with the spaceship model you saw in the tutorial or time-lapse. A demo version of the add-on is also located here. Let's just drag the archive with the add-in into Blender to install it. Activate the add-in. Look what we have here by default. You see the display in the demo version. If you click the checkbox, you will see all the buttons available only in the full version. What can you see in the demo version? To start, you can look at a real ECM object and see its cool grid. You can control the resolution of the entire model. You can switch between ECM operating modes: vertex, segment, curve, and model modes. In segment mode, you can also control the grid on individual segments. You can also apply the model. After use, you will be able to touch and examine the model in Blender's standard mesh mode and do whatever you want with it. But if you want to do anything using standard Blender tools, disable the Add-in Activation button. Additionally, when ECM is activated, you have hotkeys for some functions. You can also change the shape of this model. All selection functions are available. You can try to see how it works. Of course, I recommend watching instruction 1 first so you can do it consciously. Before I used the handle selection feature to change the curve, and now we use the point selection feature, which allows you to move it. We also gave you the opportunity to experiment with the replace, curve rotation, and smoothing functions. But before using them, check them out in the video. This all relates to the functions of changing and editing the shape for your tests on this model. All functions related specifically to modeling are available only in the full version. You can only see them in the video or after purchase, or by activating the full panel. This is a set of functions for both curve construction mode and segment mode. Also in the demo version, you will have access to the point deformation function. You can try to play with it. It can also help to make changes to the form, but already at the final stage. So watch the video and try it out. I know many people are wary of curves in Blender. I think this demo version might help you try working with curve a little and decide. We also included an asset with ECM primitives here. You can also change the shape of the primitives and try playing with them to see how it all works. In fact, once you figure this out, I think you won't have any more difficulties. We also added an ECM model here, which we applied and then detailed using Blender tools. The mesh is made up of quadrilaterals, making it very easy to select and edit. Thank you all for watching. We would be glad if you joined us. Have a nice day, everyone.